What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel where you will learn all things motivation, money, marriage, and motherhood. Today we're talking motherhood. I want to share with you a few tips that I have learned that have helped me to breastfeed. If you missed the intro video, here is the video here for you. It just basically describes all of the products that I have used to successfully breastfeed my second child. So this week we're going to talk about the manual breast pump. So this is a manual breast pump. A lot of people know the brand Haaka, but this brand is actually NatureBond Silicone Breast Pump. It works just as effectively, but here's the trick. It is half the price. You can get it from Amazon. So basically, this little thing here, what it does is when your baby is eating from one breast, especially in the beginning stages, the other breast is leaking. So there's two things that I see wrong with that. The first is you are wasting that precious liquid gold. The second thing is it's annoying because you're getting all wet and the milk is everywhere and it's gross. So you can snap this bad boy on. But what I'll let you know is this bad boy hurts. That's the secret. A lot of people don't let you know that breastfeeding hurts, but I'm here to tell you the damn thing hurts, okay? So a lot of people suggest flipping it inside out like this and then putting it on the boob. So this comes with two parts. This goes into here so that when you're done, the milk doesn't fall everywhere. Like you can turn this upside down, and if you can't move, you can easily stick this in here, and the milk will then be safe in case it falls down. So for the purpose of this video, I will call this my boob. So the way this works is you flip this inside out. If this were my boob, I would put it on my boob like this. I would squeeze for pressure. You got it? And then let it go. And it will stay on. You can walk around with this thing. You can jump up and down. This bad boy here will latch onto your boobs like a snapper on a piece of worm. Like this will not let go. So that's how you can use this. Or you can just put it on the boob. Again, imagine this were my boob. Put it on and then squeeze it to the suction that you prefer. This tool here is essential, especially in the beginning stages. Get it early when you have an oversupply of milk, because this will help you not to lose that precious milk and you will not be wet. I ordered mine from Amazon. I will share the details of the product in the description box. But again, this is what it looks like. Just came in a regular 2-part box. Whoop. So it was like this. Oop. I hope you can see this well. Box number 1, box number 2, and then there's a cute little bag for the stopper that you can just put in, and there is also a bag for the actual manual pump so you can safely secure it, which, by the way, to this point I have never even used the down bag. It was still in the box, but just so you know, that's one of the tools. Next week, I will show you some more tools that I use and go over things that can help you be successful with giving your baby the precious gift of breast milk. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share it with your friends, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Remember to be bold, be great, and most importantly, be beautiful.